Hey folks, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a simple freeze frame transition inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. So this is the part of the video I want to use for the demonstration. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a screenshot of this particular frame. So if you can't find this, what you need to do is to go here and we drag it and put it here. Drag the symbol and put it here. So what we're going to do, we're just going to take a screenshot. When you're done, you click OK and you're going to select Import into Project. Now we're going to drag our screenshot onto our timeline like so. Let me expand it so that you can see. We're going to right click and we're going to look for Edit in Photoshop. Now that we're in Photoshop, what we're going to do is we're going to select our subject from the background. So I'm going to move to this symbol here, the quick selection tool. I'm going to click on select subject. Now we don't need his phone in the frame. What we're going to do, we're going to select this tool here and we're going to click this to clean this off. We're going to select and mask. And now you can see our subject has been separated from the background. And when you go to output to new layer, we're going to click OK. Now you can see we have separated our subject. We're going to go to File and we're going to select Quick Export as PNG over here. Now we're going to choose a location, let's say pictures. Now we're done with that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Premiere Pro. We're going to import the cutout of our subject. Now we're going to drag our subject onto this layer. To make our effects smoother, what we're going to do is we're going to expand this a few frames before the next scene transitions. So we're going to expand this like so. Then we cut. Now we're going to look for an effect called the transform effect. We're going to drag it onto both clips. Now let's hide this layer like so. You can see what we are working with over here. So we're going to select our subject and we're going to go to the position keyframe. We're going to add a keyframe like so. And we're going to drag that down. Move. Oh, I created a double keyframe. Now delete this. Move some frames in front like so. Click on the keyframe. And we're going to reset this to the original position like so. So now what we're going to do to make this effect smoother, we're going to go to the temporal interpolation. We're going to choose ease out. Go to this point. We're going to choose easing. And now we're going to look for the shutter angle side. And we're going to uncheck this button here, use composition shutter angle. And we're going to add about 180 to this. So you can see what we're already working with. But I want it to be faster. So what we're going to do is we're going to move. We're going to bring the keyframes closer like so. We're going to cut to this point. Now let's see. Still a bit slower. So we're going to keep bringing the keyframes in front till we're satisfied. Move 1 or 2 frames and let's cut. Now delete. We're going to do the same thing for the background too. Let's see how this looks. Yeah. Want that to be very, very fast. So let's see. Let's bring this to good. That's what we're talking about. So now that we're done animating our subject, let's move to our background. Now let's go to the transform section. Now we're going to add a keyframe. We're going to drag this up. Way up. Don't want it to be too much to make the effect quicker. Like so. We're going to move to the end. Somewhere here. We're going to reset that. Now we're going to add an ease out to this keyframe and an ease into this keyframe. Now we're going to go to the shutter angle. We're going to uncheck this and add. Now I want this to be very, very smooth and a lot of motion blur. So I'm going to make this 360. Now you can see what we're doing. Now let me make this visible so you can see what we can do. Yeah, so that's what I'm talking about. Like, you can make this faster. Let's see. I go down here and I bring this somewhere here to make it add some more dynamics to it. Let's see how it looks good. So that's how simple it is. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe and like so I can grow this channel together. See you in the next one.